Yesterday, 4 skiers were up on that ridge behind. The first skier came down on the left side of the dead tree that we just zoomed in on and skied that broad shoulder. The second skier went off the cornice, made 2 turns when he triggered the slope. He was carried through the thicker trees below that dead tree and came to a rest near the bottom of the slope. This is where he came to a rest. He was strained through the trees up above, stopped here. The 2 people up top got to him within 3 minutes. They initiated a beacon search. As they moved down the hill, they could see that he was partially buried. Got to him quickly, immediately started CPR and resuscitation efforts, and they also immediately notified dispatch at the Yellowstone Club what had happened. The skier came off the cornice behind me, and when he hit the slope, he made a few turns when he triggered the slide. The slope in the starting zone is about 39 to 42 degrees steep. He likely hit it in a thinner spot. In fact, when we were hiking up here, we found some thin, kind of rocky areas. The snowpack is similar to what we're seeing in most of southwest Montana, which is in this spot particularly, we have a wind slab here, really dense snow, and underneath it, lots of facets. And so at some point, he was able to initiate a fracture on these facets that was able to propagate out about 300 feet wide, and it took him down through the trees to the bottom of the slope.